Turner still got some good legs.
Michael Turner had childbearing hips, and every time he carried the ball, his water broke.
No, listen, it wasn't necessarily that Turner slowed down. We took away Turner's blockers. We took away the meat off that offensive line. He didn't have nobody open up no holes. We put those little bitty boys up there for speed. We took away his blockers.
Bird, why we always make excuses for
We ain't making, I'm not making
don't.
excuses, but really, think about it. We went for speed. We went for smaller guys for speed rather than big guys for blocking.
Okay.
We changed the way the line was made up.
Now, are you happy with Thomas Dimitrov? I mean, he did
I
build
love
that Patriots.
TD. I love TD. He told me trust him, and I've been putting my trust. And look, we've had winning seasons ever since
There you go.
Smitty and TD came there. I ain't got no complaint.
What's your Instagram for people to hit you?
You know what? I got to work on that one. I ain't quite got it.
You just told me. Atlanta Falcons.
No, that was on Twitter. I have Twitter, Pinterest, Twitter. I'm tweeting.
Is that a new one?
I have Twitter.
I have Twitter, Facebook,
Chitlin.
Pinterest.
Network.
Look, I don't understand how y'all be twitting all day long. It's enough for me to try to keep up with Facebook. I need 3 or 4 assistants.
Get each one. Bird Lady looking for an assistant.
I need assistants for free. For free.
Most of them.
Yes.
And you just say intern then.
Your intern, yes.
Yeah.
I understand how people have a life to do that all day long. I can't do it.
Like Griff, they just do it while they drive.
See, that's illegal.
Yeah.
You know, that's illegal.
What's your favorite MJ song?
Oh, that's a hard one, because I love MJ. Because I remember the cartoon.
Oh,
yeah.
You know, I'm 28.
Yes, I remember.
You know, I remember
the
the
cartoon with the snake?
With the snake?
Yeah.
Yeah, I remember the snake that was in the cartoon. Look at them older people behind you.
Okay.
The B.B. King impersonator with the camera.
I remember Baby Kid.
So, ladies and gentlemen, let me tell y'all what be happening in our studio. It's so much going on. So how can people see you? Where are you normally at the Georgia Dome, and where are you going to be tonight?
Okay, so I'll be touring the tailgates before the game. And normally people can go to Facebook and put in a seat request. And I just sort of fly all around the dome. Third quarter, I do third level. So first quarter, you know, I go and I make special visits. I give preferential treatment to kids, the elderly, and the disabled. And you can call and, put in your request, and I come and give you a little VIP treatment and take pictures with you.
Yeah, so I was asking you, Bird Lady, when you in your full garb, everything, the sham bam, thank you ma'am set, how long does that take?
5 to 6 hours.
Oh my God.
I don't go to sleep before game day, and I live in Macon.
You live in Macon?
I live in Macon, so I have to drive up.
Man.
But y'all, let me tell you what happened Saturday night. I was on my way home Saturday night, and the motor blew up in my plucker.
Oh, you know she old school. She said her plucker.
I don't have a car no more, and my bicycle got 2 flat tires. So Bird Lady ain't got no motor transportation except for some wings.
Oh,
and they didn't work today. So
why don't you get one of these whisper-looking dudes to come pick you up in the Spinners mobile or something?
I need something. I'm gonna go to sugardaddy.com somewhere. I got to do something.
Atlanta Falcon Bird Lady, ladies and gentlemen, she's celebrating her 15th year of being a fan. As a diehard Oakland Raider fan, I have respected this young lady since I've been in the city. It's because her passion, and if I call Atlanta Falcon fans fair weather, when I do, I'm not talking about her. Thank you for coming, sweetheart.
Thank you very much.
And please support my charities.
Oh,
98% of what I do is charity work. On a serious note,
how about that?
98% of what I do is for charity, because I was very, very, very ill, and I fought my way back out of a wheelchair for 8.5 years.
I know that's right.
Coma, life support. I woke up in the morning with a sheet over my face. So
telling the truth?
do what I do. Yes.
Oh, we got it. We can't let you. I gotta hear the more story.
That's why I do what I do.
She flew up off the bed. I got it.
Yeah, I did. That's why I do what I do. So I do this for charity work. So that's how I became the Bird Lady.
Well,
so
we
that's why I do that.
appreciate you, Fats Domino, and Alexander O'Neal, manager, for coming in this morning. We'll see you at the game.
I'll be there. And y'all know I gotta do it. I gotta do it. Can I do it?
Do it.
Who that?
Rise up.
Hey guys, don't go nowhere. We come back. Actress Tasha Grant's in the building. Bird Lady, Dry Buzz wanted me to tell you hello. And when we come back, we got more. Tony Griff, Remote the Band, Tasha, Tony Griff, all of us are here.
Bird Lady out.
Oh, good job, Bird Lady. I mean, you come up here from dang Macon.
Every 3-4 times a week.
That is cool. You got them, man.